Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a bow tie ribbon, and first of all it's made in two parts. So I'm going to first start with the larger ribbon, and then we have a smaller ribbon on the top. And I always like to throw out the ribbon because then it makes it easier to keep control and to keep it moves much easier. So first of all, sort of do a rehearsal how big you want it, and then cut off there. Okay, then get the center, and always cut a long piece of galvanized wire. Okay, so once we have our center, then pleat that in, gather it in, leaving a short end of the wire, twist it around really tight. Then on one side, fold it to the size you want your bow. Again, pleat it in, wire around really tight, and then that'll be your tail. And then the other side, we do the same. The same length, and again, pleat it in. Using the long piece of wire, wire around, and wire off. Twist them both together. And then cut the two wires the same length. Okay. Now we're going to make the thinner one, which is going to be shorter. Again, throw out the ribbon. And again, get a ruff going on. But this one is going to be not half, but a lot shorter. Okay, so that's going to be the length. Then we're going to wire the two together, one in the middle of the other, and then twist it all together. And then we're going to make a center. And twist that around. And join them together at the back using one piece of our wire that we have kept. Trim off the excess of the ribbon. And then the final piece we do is to make the points. So we fold the ribbon in half together and cut on an angle. Like so. Again. Okay, so when he's in the tree, you wire it in with the wire that we started off with. And with the tails, we just sort of fold them. So there we have our bow tie bow.